Hello, my name is Tina and my team is the Billionaires. Our previous prototype demonstrated the core idea of an LLM that creates visualizations and uses semantic relationships to recall past conversations. In this updated version, we've improved the visual interface and made the node structure more specific and easier to navigate. Instead of showing a chat log next to an auto-generated graph, users first interact with the LLM through a normal chat interface. For example, we might ask for a 5-day trip to Beijing. While the conversation happens, the system builds a graph off-screen so it doesn't interrupt the chat experience. If the user asks follow-up questions like, do I need to book tickets in advance, or what's the best way to get to the Great Wall, the system detects common themes such as booking and transportation, which becomes clusters in the graph. At the end of a conversation, the user can click Open Memory Graph. A bubble graph appears showing previous chats, such as monthly budget, job applications, or trip planning. Clicking a topic like 5-day Beijing trip opens a more detailed graph of the conversation, and users can switch to other viewing modes like Graph View. From here, users can return home or start a new chat. In this example, we ask about local foods to try in Beijing. The system gives the option to merge this conversation with the existing Beijing graph, creating a new cluster called Food. Users can also search within the graph using the Search node bar. Searching something like Great Wall of China highlights only the relevant nodes while dimming the rest of the graph. Closing the search returns the graph to its normal state. For additional filtering, users can select Filter to select topics such as booking, transportation, or food within the Beijing graph. A graph also shows users to zoom in, zoom out, or export. Zooming in creates a focus subgraph, for example, showing only booking and transportation nodes. While exporting, users can preview the selected subgraph in 3 formats: structured bullets, an AI summary, or graph view. These formats give users different ways to understand the same information. The selected format can then be exported into a new chat session. For example, the user might ask, since the Great Wall is already in my 3-day plan, how much time should I set aside for it? Because the relevant memory was exported as context, the AI can continue the conversation naturally without the user having to reiterate the entire trip plan.